Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Filming experimental films and experimental horror could not be bigger than ever. It's a good time today to invest in your own camera, a bunch of film, and start filming. Start shooting whatever you like and enjoy. The reason for this is, I would suppose, it would be more than likely that most of us are fed up with the Hollywood style, all the remakes and stuff like that. We would like our chance to be individuals and create something original, and that's very possible. Hollywood rarely has anything individual or original, and they generally copy from the avant-garde genre, as most of us know. If most people tell you that shooting on film is expensive, that's completely untrue. The cameras are relatively inexpensive, the film is inexpensive, and you can process it at home yourself if you wish with caffeinol, and that is a mixture of coffee and orange juice and stuff like that with vitamin C. And some other homemade stuff. Believe it or not, it works. It comes out brown. It's going to look like, kind of like a 1920s, 1930s look, but it still looks great if you're looking for the avant-garde look and feel and style. 8 and 16 millimeter are a great format to use. They're silent. The cameras are wind up, like my Bolex here, and you can create many different styles and genres of horror and whatever else you seek. And if you've been into the realm of horror or something else, then more than likely you own some of your own props. So investment is very relatively inexpensive. So do enjoy it, get into it. It's a great genre to get into of experimental films, experimental horror films, and you're going to love it. There are a lot of short films being made in film festivals to join. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, put a like on our videos, join our barter buy and sell group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.